How to edit photos using Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. Select the photo you want to enhance from your gallery, camera roll or saved folder. Once your photo opens in the editing interface, you can apply a variety of tools such as filter, beauty effect, skin smoothing, brightness and contrast adjustments, and collage layout. Explore stickers, text, and frames to make your photo more creative and personalized. Using Meitu's editing features regularly allows you to enhance color, improve clarity, and add unique effect to your images. Whether you are creating selfies, professional photos, or social media content, Meitu provides all the tools you need to make your photos look amazing. Don't forget to save your edits in high quality after finishing. Now you know how to edit photos using Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips.